Have you ever wondered how to winterize a home in the mountains? Well, it is so easy, even a 4-year-old could do it, right, Nora?
Yes.
Okay, so let's first pretend like it's freezing outside. It's freezing cold outside. So it's freezing cold outside, and we want to turn the water off so that the pipes don't freeze, right? So we need to winterize, right?
Mom.
Okay, so you need one simple tool, and they make 2 different types of these tools. One is called a wrench, and the other is called a T-bar. So,
This is not heavy.
first off, you have to find your stop and waste. So your stop and waste is what's going to turn your water off from the house to the street. So, Nora, you need to put it straight on there like that. Okay, so Nora's going to put it on there.
Right here?
Nope, other way. Yep. And then you're going to turn it all the way over to the left.
Where?
This
way?
Nope, this way. So come up towards this top and then come. Keep turning. Keep turning. You hear that noise? That's the water turning off. Okay, now what do you think happened?
I don't know.
Let's go try the water and see what happens.
I'll try the bathroom water, okay?
Let's try the kitchen. So, once we turn that off, look, now we have no more water. You turn the water off to the house.
And we turned off the water.
Okay, so let's go show them how we turn it back on. Now this time you have to come the other way. Nope, you were right. You were right. Go on that side. Maybe flip it. Yeah, perfect. And then bring it back over.
Wait.
Pull hard. Let me help you get it started. Pull. Come all the way around. Okay. Think we have water? You gonna put a little pep in your step? Nope. 4-year-olds. They can turn water off and they can destroy things. You want to try it?
Yeah. It works!
Good job, Nora.